Surah 73, Al-Muzammil, the Enwrapped One. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate. O you, the sleeping, enwrapped one! Stand up in prayer by night, all but a small part of it. Half of it, or reduce it a little, or add to it a little, and recite the Quran slowly and distinctly. Behold, we shall cast upon you a weighty word. Surely, getting up at night is the best means of subduing the self and is more suitable for uprightness in speech. You are indeed much occupied during the day with the affairs of the world. So remember the name of your Lord and devote yourself to Him with exclusive devotion. He is the Lord of the East and the West. There is no God but He, so take Him alone for your guardian. And bear patiently the vain things they utter and gracefully forsake them. Leave it to me to deal with the affluent ones who give the lie to the truth and bear with them for a while. We have heavy fetters and a blazing fire in store for them, and a food that chokes and a grievous chastisement. They will come across all this on the day when the earth and the mountains shall tremble violently, and the mountains shall crumble into heaps of scattered sand. Surely, we have sent to you a messenger as a witness over you, just as we had sent a messenger to Pharaoh. But Pharaoh disobeyed our messenger, so we seized him with a terrible seizing. If you persist in disbelieving, how will you guard yourself against the woe of the day that will turn children gray-haired? The day whose severity shall cause the heaven to split asunder. Allah's promise is ever bound to be fulfilled. Indeed, this is nothing but a good counsel, so let him who will take away leading to his Lord. O Prophet, your Lord knows that you sometimes stand up in prayer nearly 2/3 of the night, and sometimes half or 1/3 of it, and so does a party of those with you. Allah measures the night and the day. He knows that you cannot keep an accurate count of it, so He has shown mercy to you. So now recite as much of the Quran as you can. He knows that there are among you those who are sick and others who are journeying in the land in quest of Allah's bounty, and still others who are fighting in the cause of Allah. So recite as much of the Quran as you easily can, and establish prayer, and pay zakah, and give Allah a goodly loan. Whatever good you can send forth for yourselves, you shall find it with Allah. That is better, and its reward is greater. And ask for Allah's forgiveness. Surely, He is most forgiving, most compassionate.